Changing the free kick player in FIFA Mobile is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Launch the FIFA Mobile application on your mobile device. Ensure that you are logged in to your account. Look for the Team Management section. This is where you can make changes to your lineup, including selecting the player who will take the free kicks. Within the Team Management section, you should find options to view and edit your starting 11 players or your formation. Look for the specific position or player designated for free kicks. This is often one of the attacking or midfield positions. You may see a set piece or free kick icon next to the player's name. Navigate through your team roster and select the player you want to assign as the free kick taker. This could be a player with good free kick attributes, or a specific player you prefer for this role. After selecting the new free kick taker, make sure to save your changes. This may involve confirming your lineup or formation adjustments. To ensure that the changes are applied, play a match or enter a training mode and check if the designated player is taking the free kicks.